So if ever you forget what sine or cosine or tangent represents, you could go to our program, press up to wrap around to trig, and we see what SOHCAHTOA is. That being said, this is actually referring to what we call a co-function identity. And the concept behind that is that the sine of any angle is the same as the cosine of its complement. So when you have a right triangle, the other two angles, the two acute angles, always add up to 90, so that all three add up to 180. And notice, let's say I do sine from here. Well, that's opposite, we'll call this y, over hypotenuse. Editor, I'm gonna start again from the opposite part. So that's opposite over hypotenuse. Okay, great. And then cosine from the angle that is its complement over here, in other words, 90 minus 49, which is 41. But cosine from there is adjacent, which previously was the opposite side, but it's adjacent over hypotenuse. But notice the opposite from here is the adjacent from here, which is why those two ratios end up being the same. The same is true if I had, let's say, cosine y. That's the same as sine of its complement. So what is the same as sine 49? Well, cosine 90 minus 49, in other words, cosine 41, which is really cosine from angle C, so option A.